How to change fonts in Google Docs in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, just go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Docs over here and make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. As you can see, I have the latest version of the application. Then tap on open and it will lead you to the Google Docs. Also, just make sure that you have logged into your account over here. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, and tap on any of the document that you want to change the fonts in. So I'm going to select this project over here, and here you can see the text, right? So tap on the text over here and tap on three dotted lines at the top right, then tap on the option of print layout. And as you tap on that, you can see the edit option or the pencil icon over here at the bottom. So tap on that, and here over the top you'll be able to see the option of format, which is this one. So tap on that and just scroll down and you can see the option of the fonts over here. So tap on that and you'll be able to see different fonts available over here. You can select any of this that is more suitable for your document. As you tap on that, then make across, go back, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.